Today I have a fake mouse and I'm going to be making a video for you, and I'm going to put the title on, I'm going to put this on YouTube. This will be my first video, and this is a fake mouse and I'm going to make the Mario noise whenever he does like the Mario acting in the Mario game when he jumps and everything. I'm going to be doing the Mario noise, so here it goes. That was it, guys, and I hope you like this video, and I want some subscribers at the bottom, and don't forget, I'm putting this on YouTube. I want some subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification button. And I have a what's it called? I have a merchandise of these. They are pretty cool, so if you would like, go ahead and buy them. I have a merchandise. If you do all that what I just said, hit that notification, subscribe, comment down below, and say you like this video and say what I just said, and you will get my merchandise of these mice. Bye.